Welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. Today we are going to see how to sew a shirt cuff. The shirt cuff is composed of two identical pieces with one being interfaced. The first step will be to fold the lower edge of the non-interfaced piece up 1 cm to the wrong side and press. Then I lay the two cuff pieces right sides together and I'm going to stitch the edges together, except the seam allowance, leaving the edge that will be attached to the sleeve open. I trim the seam allowances, clip the curves, and turn it right side out. And I press. Now I'm going to pin the interface part of the cuff to the sleeve bottom, right sides together, and I stitch. I'm going to fold the inner side of the cuff over the seam, pin, and I'm going to stitch all around the cuff's edge. And our shirt cuff is finished. Thanks for watching.